For more than 35 years, forward-thinking companies have trusted ABF's expertise in digitalization and automation solutions. In this video, the ABF team takes you on a journey through the warehouse management system of Wuppermann AG's state-of-the-art steel service center. At the group's newest site in Hungary, this innovation leader in corrosion protection refines flat steel products to meet the highest quality standards.
We, the Wuppermann Group, are a medium-sized family-owned company based in Leverkusen, Germany, with over 150 years of successful experience in steel processing. Our product portfolio includes surface-refined flat steel products. The plant in Hungary is the largest and most modern site of the Wuppermann Group. Located in Györ, it houses several production facilities, the centerpiece being a state-of-the-art combined pickling and hot-dip galvanizing line, followed by 3 slitting lines. For us, digitalization is an absolute must-have.
To fully meet the demands of sustainable and high-quality production, seamless material tracking and optimal material flow control are essential, from goods receipt to the dispatch of the refined flat steel products. This behind-the-scenes look reveals how the intelligent one-base MFT system has elevated the intralogistics efficiency of the site to an entirely new level.
Our handheld app MFD Cockpit guides the user through the goods receipt process. The delivered materials are inspected and recorded in the system. Photo documentation of any defects supports quality management through automatic notifications. After a successful incoming goods inspection, the materials are stored in the ideal location in the raw material warehouse using the automatic crane.
The galvanizing line is supplied with material from the raw material warehouse. Based on the production schedule, the Intralogistics system ensures that the right material is delivered to the strip galvanizing line at the right time, guaranteeing a continuous production process. The management of semi-finished and finished materials is handled by a sophisticated coil car system and 2 automated crane warehouses. Using the MFT desktop application, the operator can precisely define the sequence of required materials. One-base MFT enables the efficient and timely storage and distribution of wide strip coils to the slitting lines.
Another advantage of our system is the dynamic control of the automated cranes. The system immediately responds to fault and status messages and generates alternative tasks when necessary. This helps minimize downtime and ensures smooth operations.
The trimodal loading process, whether by ship, train or truck, is fully managed by the system. MFT coordinates truck registrations, automatically assigns loading bays, and organizes the loading of materials. Every step is logged and monitored. Load securing is also documented with photos via the app to ensure transport safety.
We found the collaboration with ABF to be highly pleasant and professional, a partner we can wholeheartedly recommend.
The successful implementation of this project was only possible thanks to the close collaboration between the ABF project team and Wuppermann. Even after project completion, we continue to work together on the ongoing optimization and further automation of our processes. The results speak for themselves: reduced downtime, streamlined workflows, and more efficient use of resources.
This project highlights how cutting-edge technology and tailored ABF solutions can significantly improve efficiency and quality in warehouse and material flow management. Take your intralogistics to the next level with ABF.